Welcome back. This is the last and final video on the topic of naming compounds, and we're going to work with covalent compounds. It doesn't matter whether it is polar covalent or non-polar covalent. A covalent compound is a covalent compound. So the rules are essentially the same. Now let me go put up the rules. You see the same table has appeared one more time. And you also see that there is no polyatomic. Why? Because that's how chemistry works. All right. The name of the metal is non-metal is written first in the compound. Whatever element appeared first in the compound that's written first. With the prefix di, tri, or tetra, you don't use uno for the first element in the compound. And the second one, again, you never use uno. You only start with di, tri, and tetra for prefix for the second metal. So let's start with easier one, all right? CS2. First, again, at this point, you should not have a confusion whether an element is metal or non-metal. In this case, they're both non-metal. So what I meant by this is there's only one carbon, so you don't say uno carbon, you just say carbon. And there's two sulfur, but sulfur in a compound is sulfide, right? So disulfide. You don't have to worry about doing the cross swap because it's a covalent compound. You don't do that. You can, but I don't see the point of it, right? So let's do something else. P2O5. Here, however, we got two phosphoruses, so diphosphorus. And then 5 is penta. I'll probably give you a list of that. So penta. And oxygen is oxide, so pentaoxide. So let me write those here. 2 means di, 3 means tri, 4 means tetra, and 5 means penta. You probably don't need more than that. I'll give you one more. So hex is hexa, and 7 is hepta. That's all you really need, okay? You never would go past 7, at least in those classes. All right, so let's do maybe one more. SF6. There's nothing for sulfur, so write sulfur. You don't say uno. And then 6 for hexa. And then say fluoride. F is from fluorine, and in a compound, it's called fluoride. So sulfur hexafluoride. Naming covalent compounds is the easiest thing there is, right? Well, that summarizes how to name and how to effectively use electrons. The next time I'll see you with a different topic out of the 4 things I told you. I think I've finished naming compounds now. So I'll see you with another topic. So stay tuned.